What about if we make a little video? Baby bird. What are you doing, Johnny? Oh, look, gamer bird. He's a gamer bird. Pretty bird. He don't talk, but that's okay. He's pretty. And he knows it. Just being a bird. A little product placement there. Anyone who knew my mom, there's a picture of her when she was younger. A little extra product placement over there, along with the burb. My teddy bear. He's gonna peck on it. See, he's gonna peck on my teddy bear. See, he doesn't care that it belongs to his mama. Do you? He's like, nope, I don't care. Say bye-bye to everyone, Johnny. Say bye-bye. Hey, I'm talking to you. Say bye-bye.